Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money with 99 Designs. Let's begin. Making money with 99 Designs as a beginner involves a strategic approach to building your profile, participating in contests, and effectively marketing your skills. Now, the first step that you need to do is to click on the Become a Designer. And what will happen is you will be forwarded on this page wherein you can fire up your freelance career, you design, and 99 Designs will handle the rest, all right? Of course, if you're passionate about making design, like creating logos and a lot more, you do what you love and get paid for it on 99 Designs, and all you have to do is click the Apply Now button. Now from here, it's a little bit easy because all you have to do is sign up with your Google account. If you have that, you can sign up using your Facebook or your Apple. But if you have like a business or working email, that's going to be convenient because from here, all you have to do is provide as much as information, all right? Complete all the details here about your skills, experience, and portfolio, and a well-rounded profile attracts potential clients. And from here, just follow along. Now, you will be welcomed with this specific page wherein you are about to begin your journey with 99 Designs, all right? And obviously, you don't need something, right? Because you're here to make money. And for that to happen, you're going to be choosing the You Are a Designer. Click on it. Now, as you can see, before you proceed and progress with your profile building, you need to understand that you need to join the creative community. Just click on Continue. And all I have to do is just follow along, all right? Now make sure you upload a high quality photo that best represents your identity, all right? And just click on Next here. Now once you are on this last page, after clicking the complete section, you need to familiarize yourself with the types of content available. Now, once you are on the platform, you need to understand and familiarize yourself on the dashboard. You have three options here: your work, your clients, and community. All right. Now, in the contest, if that's available for you, you need to click on that. You can start small. You can begin with smaller contests to build your confidence and get a feel for the platforms. Of course, if you focus on creating high quality designs that meet the client's brief, pay attention to details, and provide variations when possible. So I'm gonna hover to the community because from here you need to network and connect. All right, these are gonna be the 99 Designs community, and by participating in forums and discussions with the designers, of course, it can provide valuable insights and support. For example, all right, if you are a business or a company or a client that's looking for a design, say for example, I'm looking for a sports category, all right, and sports handling logo. All right, let's choose for now anything that has sports on it. Now these are, as you can see, 2,000 plus designs for sports and hunting logo. All right. For example, if you click this one, this is logo by motocross bike sports shows and podcast called Whole Shots, and it's created by Pula. All right. Now the thing is, you can click on the View Portfolio. I'm talking about the perspective from the client. All right, not as the freelancer or the designer. So this is going to be Pula's portfolios, and for example, the company or the client wanted to purchase this one. All I gotta do is basically here, he's all on about like 32 minutes ago. You can simply send an email message to him, invite the user to your project. All right, that's you as the client. Now the thing is, the reason I showed you the logos and identity because, for example, for logo and brand identity pack, this is going to be the price. That's going to be $500.99, almost like 1 cent away to going 600. The idea is you can earn a lot here in 99 Designs if you submit a lot of work. Of course, we're talking about high quality works, because as you build your reputation, you may receive direct invitations from clients to work in projects. And of course, these can be more lucrative than contests. All right, you can follow up with clients and after completing projects to express your interest in future opportunities. Now, let me tell you about platforms that you can use for logo designs. Now, if you are using Photoshop as your means of creating logos and designs, and Adobe Illustrator, so it's up to you. You can also use Canva. Now, once you are happy with all the designs you've created or even logos, all you gotta do is click on share. And of course, if you don't know how to use Canva or just starting out yet, you can download the file tab from PNG to a lot more options here. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is upload that to 99Designs for you to be able to make more money, all right? But the thing is, always remember that when you hover to your clients, right here, of course, you need to realize that you can always follow up with clients after completing projects to express your interest in future. As you can see, you can put them in the favorites, work together, active contests, and active projects, and continuously work on improving your design skills through practice, online courses, and staying updated with design trends. Of course, if you're using Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Canva, and a lot more, you can leverage all these platforms, and you can use, of course, feedback from clients and contest results to identify areas for improvement and refine your approach. Now, when you hover here, you can always promote your designs and success stories on social media platforms to attract more clients. All right. For example, if you are a big fan of Facebook, all you gotta do is you can upload your work here at your Facebook page, promote that on social media, and leverage the algorithms of social media. All right, you can do this again here. You can highlight your work here at the TikTok platform so you'll get noticed. You can also plug your work here at Snapchat, and of course you can also join a Discord server about graphic design. There are like 26,000 members wherein you can plug your design works and logos and invite them to the 99Designs website so they can reach and see your portfolios, right? You can also consider creating a personal website or blog to showcase your portfolio and share your design journey. And by following these steps, beginners can start making money on 99Designs. Consistency, quality, and professional conduct are key to building a successful freelance career on the 99Designs platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.